Ever had one of those days when you're running your business, everything's going great, and then
Yeah.
all of a sudden, like a system error just pops up and
It's the worst.
totally throws a wrench into everything.
Yeah, you're just stopped dead in your tracks.
It's like hitting a brick wall.
Exactly.
And today we're going to talk about one of those errors, the dreaded divide by zero
Yeah.
error.
Yeah.
And we'll discuss how one expert solved it to keep things running smoothly.
Great.
Joining us today is Harikanth, a senior software engineer at Tayana Solutions.
Hello.
He's got an amazing track record. He's solved over 1,200 unique scenarios
Wow.
across all sorts of different Acumatica ERP systems. So he's really seen it all.
I try.
So Harikanth, I know you've run into this divide by zero problem firsthand.
Yeah.
What happened there?
Yeah, it actually came up when we were doing some pretty routine calculations, just figuring out the density of some of the stock items.
Okay.
And the number we were dividing, the dividend
Right.
happened to be zero. Well, the system just couldn't handle it.
Oh, wow.
Threw up that error message.
So how did you solve this divide by zero puzzle?
Well, I use what we call an if condition in the code.
Okay.
Basically, before the system even tries to do the calculation, the code checks to see if the dividend is zero.
Right.
And if it is, it just skips the calculation altogether.
So you're basically like heading off the problem before it even has a chance to happen.
Yeah, prevention is key, right?
That's really smart.
Got to have somebody who can see these problems coming.
Right.
And knows how to fix them before they blow up.
And that's where a company like Tayana Solutions comes in.
That's us.
You guys specialize in making sure those Acumatica ERP systems run smoothly.
That's right. We're the biggest Acumatica Cloud ERP services partner out there.
Wow.
And our whole focus is helping businesses get their systems up and running,
Uh-huh.
customizing them, and then making sure they stay that way.
So you're with them every step of the way.
We're-
You can give them a call at 678-910-2774 to set up a consultation.
They'd be happy to help.
It's amazing how in business and in software, sometimes those smallest details can make the biggest difference.
You got it.
So thanks for listening, everybody.
Thanks for having me.
And we'll see you next time
See ya.
on The Deep Dive.
Bye.